Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing this collapsible wagon cart from Tanstrider. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are interested in getting this wagon cart. And so I do want to thank Tanstrider for actually gifting this to me as well. Now I've used my fair share of wagon carts, and what's really neat about this wagon cart in particular is how foldable it actually gets. So with it being foldable, it actually has a wrap that you use to tie or strap around the wagon, so that you can actually hold it with this handle. And so with this wagon, you could actually remove the bottom plate so that it actually collapses within itself. And the handle, I'm always a fan of handles that just don't slam onto the ground. So this handle is kind of like a soft slam, and you can hold it in different positions. It also swivels to the left and right. In addition to that, this wagon can hold up to 180 pounds. It's really not that heavy either. You've also got rooms for water bottles right over here. So you got two of that. But overall, I'd say that if you really want a wagon that's really collapsible and stays collapsed and folds within itself, definitely check this one out. So what I mean by that is you could actually go ahead and collapse this and then strap it together so that it doesn't take up a lot of room. But I've used my fair share of wagons. I think this is my fourth one now. And I must say that this one really does the trick when it comes to being more compact when you put it away. But overall, very pleased with it.